I'm glad to see you all here. Today I'm going to explain how I've been able to make serious money in meme coins without relying on trading at all. Instead of trading and then getting dumped right after, I focus on creating the opportunity from the start. By diving meme coins on repeat every single day, bro, I've been able to make a whole living out of it, and I've been able to buy whatever the fuck I want, and that's exactly why I am making this video. I will be ungatekeeping the method, bro, and showing you how to do it for yourself, all in this video. Look at my Phantom wallet. I made all of this money and none of it came from trading charts. This is what happens when you stop trading meme coins and you start deving them instead. Let me show you the exact way I built this Phantom wallet from scratch. Now, most people trade meme coins and they do not lose money because they lack intelligence. They lose a lot of money because they only trade dumps. For example, they buy into coins and then boom, they get completely rugged, and guess who wins in this situation? No, it's not the fucking traders, but it's the devs. The person who created these coins are making way more money than the traders. That's why a bunch of experienced traders and major KOLs like Orangey and Cupsy are moving away from fucking trading and turning towards launching. It's honestly low risk and high fucking rewarding, more than trading. Why? Because when you launch a meme coin on chain, you risk nothing. Anybody can make a coin, okay? And then you launch it, you wait for buyers, and when the market cap is high, you can just cash out and do this over and over again until you are satisfied with your crypto portfolio. And honestly, bro, deving, in my opinion, is way more enjoyable than trading in 2026 with these market conditions. Now, launching has become the new meta in 2026, right? Like I said, because most people are losing a lot of money from trading and they actually want to start making money with meme coins, so they switch to deving, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. I will show you guys how to have an edge over every single other person and start deving today after this video, bro. Let's get right into it. And by the way, bro, I just want to be clear that this entire video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so just keep that in mind. Cap! Now, the majority of devs on the Solana blockchain are launching directly with Pump.Fun, bro, and that is the ultimate mistake that most people make. It's oversaturated, bro, and too many coins are launching on Pump.Fun, bro, which means if you launch a meme coin, it will go nowhere, no one will buy it, bro. I'm just being truthfully honest. Now, on top of that, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your creator fees, from your profits, and also they control all your coins in their possession, not yours. That's why I do not launch directly to Pump.Fun. Sometimes I do, but usually I don't, and I launch directly to Radium, because if you guys don't know, the Radium DEX is where volume is sitting at. There's a bunch of people waiting to buy your coin in the migrate section, and to reach that point, well, using Pump.Fun will take too long. Your coin needs to reach a $55,000 in market cap, which is like almost impossible, bro, let's be honest. That's why I use create meme.io to launch to Radium. Every single coin that you launch through this launchpad goes to Radium instantly. Okay, it will skip the entire bonding curve and then it will be showing up right here, and that's why create meme.io is how they get kept. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how a coin is made on this platform, right? There are two ways to create a token here, and the direction you choose all depends to what you want to do. The first way is creating a whole new coin completely from scratch. Now, this starts with finding a narrative. You want something that has a lot of attention around it. Go on X, go on Reddit, check Google News, and anything trending will work. For example, bro, right now Bitcoin is going down. That could be a decent viral tweet narrative. It could be a political event, anything. Once you've decided on a narrative, head back to create meme, invent a name, choose a ticker symbol, then upload a logo, and then boom, bro, your custom coin is officially live within minutes. But if your priority is speed and immediate traction, well, there's another way. You can actually copy trending coins and just copy coins over and over again, because all these tokens are already exploding with attention and non-stop buyers on Pump.Fun. The attention is active, the narratives are already proven to attract a bunch of buyers too, and the volume is already hitting these coins. So instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, we are copying coins and stepping directly into profits. This method is also called vamping. It's up to you to what you want to call it, but I would highly recommend to start vamping. Alright, now it's time for the best part of this video. It's time to copy a coin and see how much we can make on this notch. First of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to be able to transact with the coins, and then click on refresh and look for a coin to vamp. I like to go for anything, right? I'm gonna copy the Waffles coin. Why not, right? Just fucking why not? Click copy the radium. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, obviously. Ignore the fucking block from Phantom. It's completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be vamped or copied. It's the same exact thing. Just wait right here. And boom. If I go on SoulScan, here I have proof that it is minted. Okay, it's all fucking legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where we create the random liquidity pool. It is pretty straightforward. Basically, there's two easy steps that takes less than 10 seconds once you get the hang of it. But basically, it is going to show up right here, and you will own all the coins in your possession, in your wallet, and that's why we create our own liquidity pool. Now, for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens for your coins. Right under for the amount of soul to pair. This is the first transaction in your coin. Since you are the creator of the coin, you are the one making and copying the coin right on chain with your wallet. Well, you will have the chance to buy in your coin for some supply before everyone else, and that is exactly how you are going to profit from one of two ways. The other way is from the Pump.Fun creator fees, which I will explain later in the video. But yeah, 0.3 soul is the juicy spot. You can put anywhere from 0.3 to whatever the fuck you want, and you will get this back later once you dump the coin. So basically, it's like if you did not really spend it, you know. Click on create pool, wait for your Phantom light to pop up, and then click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and boom, the Waffles coin is now created and live on the migrate section, and your PNL is always going to be here. And if you want to check your profits whenever the fuck you want, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, bro, $125 is where we're at the moment, okay? Because people are starting to buy our coin, and that's exactly why I love deving, bro. We copied a coin. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a clearer view of the coin. Let the coin fucking load in because it's Photon, it's fucking slow. And as you guys can see, bro, the coin is officially live. A bunch of people are aping in, buying in, okay? If I had to guess, I think we're up like 120, 150 at the moment. Okay, $40. That is not bad, bro. Come on, just let your coin pump, okay? Do not sell profits as a dev right now. Let the coin go up and up and up. Let traction build, okay? More people are going to start aping in, buying in, and that is what we like to see, right? It's just momentum. It's all a momentum game, okay? And by the way, bro, we copied this coin for literally $0, and now a bunch of people are buying our coin. Like, that's absolutely insane in my eyes. Like, bro, we made a coin, now real people are buying our coin. Like, that's just insane in my opinion, right? $60, 1.5k, bro. It's actually so fun to dev meme coins. Like, bro, my coin is getting buyers. Like, dude. Now, bro, all you have to do from now on is just wait for a coin to pump, bro, and when the market cap is high, then now you can cash out. But I'm gonna leave this coin run for a bit, and I'm gonna be right back after this quick montage. Alright guys, I am back, and wow bro, we got hundreds of transactions, and that potentially led to a bunch of profits because of the creator fees. But yeah bro, now it's time to cash out. Come back to create meme.io when you're ready, and obviously bro, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, bro, bang, $1.74 went straight in my pockets. Well, not right now, soon. And that's absolutely insane, bro, for this coin on camera. Like, I'm not gonna lie, bro, I thought it was going to be way less. But click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, then wait for Phantom Wallet to show up real quick, just wait. And as you guys can see, bro, bang, we are going to receive around 22.3 Solana. Click on confirm. And boom, bro, that's exactly how you make it happen, how to dev meme coins, all live in this video. I exposed everything, and if I open my wallet, bro, bang, bro, 22 SOL went in my wallet. Even though the market is really down right now, we still ended up making a hefty amount from this launch. Now you can just repeat that method over and over again, and bro, okay, the results will vary between every single coin. You might make 0, 20, 150, you never know, 1,000, 10,000, you never know, and that is exactly what makes it fun. So create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. You can also go on Google and write create meme.io, bro, it's up to you. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this guy right here, just like, comment, subscribe, join my Telegram and Discord for more info, and to join, good luck to everyone.